Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to sew this perfect tote bag. I'll show you how to combine our main fabric with a sturdy linen lining and use French seams for a flawless high-end finish. Let's get started. We're starting with our main and linen fabrics, cut to 24 by 16 inches. From these, we've prepped individual strips measuring 16 by 4 inches. To prepare the strips, first fold them in half and press a center crease. Next, fold the outer raw edges inward toward that center line and give it one final press for a perfectly clean edge. Now, we top stitch along both edges of the strip. This secures the main fabric and linen together while giving our straps a beautiful, professional finish. On our main fabric panel, measure and mark 3.5 inches inward from each of the top corners. This is the exact placement where we will align and sew our strips. Now, pin the straps down at our 3.5 inches marks. Run a quick basting stitch across the edge to fix them securely in place before we assemble the bag. Next, place the linen lining over the main fabric, right sides together, sandwiching the straps. Pin everything in place and stitch along the top edge to secure the seam. Now flip the fabric right side out and press it flat. Give it a beautiful top stitch along that top edge to keep the lining in place and create a flawless, professional finish. Made it this far? Thank you so much for watching. If you're finding these steps helpful, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. It helps me bring you more sewing tutorials just like this one. Next, take your ruler and measure 6 inches inward from both side edges. Mark these spots clearly, as they will guide our next step. From that 6-inch mark, draw a straight parallel line all the way down to the base of the bag. This vertical guideline ensures everything stays perfectly aligned. Fold the fabric along the 6-inch line and press it flat with the iron. Creasing these side edges now ensures our pleated design stays crisp and holds its shape perfectly. To create a flat base for the bag, measure and mark a 1.5 by 1.5 inch square on both bottom corners. This is the secret to boxing the corners perfectly. Next, pin the straps securely to the panel, making sure they are perfectly centered and aligned. Taking a second to check your alignment here ensures a balanced, professional carry. Next, line up the edges and sew a straight stitch down both side seams. With our first row of stitching done, we're creating a clean French seam. Flip the bag, press the edges flat, and run a second row of stitches to completely enclose the raw edges for a high-end, professional finish. Now for the base. Sew right along our 1.5 inch marked line to box the corners. Trim away the excess fabric. Then flip the corner to sew a second line, creating a clean French seam that completely encloses the raw edges. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Sharing this video really helps the channel grow. Thanks for your support.